What up, fam? This is Toy with Toys Food Chronicles, and today we are doing a product review over the Daiya Deluxe Cheezy Mac. What up, fam? Welcome to Toys Food Chronicles. My name is Toy, and we're here to bring people together through the soul and spirit of food. And once again, this channel was made to help the average home cook and backyard grill cook prepare stunning meals for their families and guests. And today we are doing a product review on the Daiya Deluxe Cheezy Mac. I am not sponsored by them at all. Based upon my review, if I like it, there will be a link in the description. This item can be found on Amazon. I am an affiliate. Anything you purchase, we do get a little bit of a kickback to help out the channel. If you like this content that we're bringing to you, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. You'll get all those notifications and updates and everything. Recently, I went to the doctor, and the doctor said I had a high LDL and a high HDL, meaning I have high cholesterol. And I consulted with a doctor and some friends about what may be best for me when it comes to my eating habits that'll be healthy for me. And I thought, hey, let me share this with my wonderful friends out in YouTube land and let you guys know what's going on with me, as well as what I am choosing to do to get better at this. So I'm not going full vegan. However, this is a vegan delighted dish. I'm going to review. I'm also gluten intolerant, so it's a lot of times where I just don't and can't eat gluten. Sometimes I break that rule and I do eat gluten. Sometimes, Here are the instructions of what we need to do to cook this Daiya Deluxe Cheezy Mac. We need to boil 2 quarts or 8 cups of water in a medium saucepan, stir pasta shells, cook for 5 to 6 minutes or until tender, stirring occasionally, and then drain, return to saucepan, massage sauce packet that comes with this to mix thoroughly. And then it says squeeze the cheese sauce over the hot pasta or stir until blended, and then it makes 3 servings. This is our wonderfully finished product. I'm going to taste it and see how this goes. Let's taste it. Let's see. All right. It's definitely not bad. It's not mama's. It's not grandma's. But it is good. And I'm very surprised. I would say that this is about a 7 3/4 out of 10. And it on taste factor, it looks a little like mush, so I would give that more of a 6.5. It tastes a lot better than it looks, that I will say. It looks better in the box than it does in its final product. If there's anything that I did wrong, that's user error, but the taste is pretty good. Would I say that it's an alternative to mac and cheese if you eat regular mac and cheese? And I'm gonna say yes. So somebody like me who is supposed to be gluten-free anyway, and I'm lactose intolerant, so I'm not really supposed to have cheese anyway, this is actually perfect. Really good meal. Will I get it again? Yes, I'll probably continue to buy this so that I can eat something that's healthy for me. You all enjoy? Bon appetit. Remember, don't love to be loved, love to love. Today we are doing a review on the Daiya Deluxe Cheezy Mac. Mac and cheese, Cheezy Mac. Deluxe Cheezy Mac. Daiya Deluxe Cheezy Mac. Daiya Deluxe Cheezy Mac. Daiya Deluxe Cheezy Mac. Over the Daiya Deluxe Cheezy Mac box set. Mac. This is Toy with Toys Food Chronicles, and today we are doing a review, a product review. And then it doesn't have the next instruction, but I believe that next instruction is take those noodles out, pour the water off of them, because the instruction after that, it says cook 5 to 6 minutes or until tender, stirring occasionally, and then it says drain. Oh.